Hello everyone, this is Charlie Flores, your local St. Johns County Realtor. I'm out here in the Silver Landing neighborhood within the Silverleaf community in St. Augustine, Florida. And this is a quick move-in by MasterCraft. MasterCraft has been voted Best Builder of the Year 4 years in a row out here in St. Augustine. And this is the Lola floor plan. We're gonna walk through in just a moment, but wanted to say, if you'd like to work with me, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email, and I'd be happy to assist you with the purchase of this home. All right, let's take a look. All right, so this house features a 3-car garage. As you can see, it has a paved driveway. Now, homes here in St. Johns County are landscaped, so you're gonna have full sod. Here we are at the front porch. This is the front entry door, 8 feet with glass, allowing natural light. And this house features 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, and has approximately 3,239 square feet. This is the foyer, and you have nice tile flooring. So we're gonna start the tour to our left. We're gonna go into the first bedroom, and all of the doors here are 8 feet in height. And you have 10-foot ceilings. And these windows allow for a lot of natural light to come in. So here in the closet, you're gonna have wire shelving. And then this is the first bathroom. You'll have the tile floor. And you have tile going all the way to the ceiling. You have the transom window there. All right, let's check out the other bedroom over here. So the windows, allow for a lot of natural light. So if you want to change out this light fixture for a fan, it has been wired, and then you're gonna have your switch over here for the fan. So we'll continue our tour. Over here, I did want to point out that you're going to find smooth walls throughout the house. We're going to go over here. And this is the living room. You have some recessed lighting. You have a beautiful fireplace here. And then this just needs to be stained. It looks really great. And this will bring us into the kitchen. You have a lot of cabinetry. And you have a lot of leg space under the island with additional cabinets. Over here you have a nice big sink, dishwasher. Then you have your 5-burner cooktop. And this vent does vent to the outside. You have quartz countertops. And right here we have the double oven. And these doors are solid. So you have nice solid 8-foot doors throughout the house. Here we are walking into the pantry. It's a nice, large walk-in pantry. Over here we have the dining area. Now let's take a look outside. Now this house does have a pool. You have a nice covered lanai. Pavers all around the pool, and it's caged in as well. You have a beautiful view to water. And this pool is going to be filled before closing. You'll have a nice jacuzzi there and pool. So if you're looking for a pool home, this might be a perfect fit. And you'll have the nice sliders there, giving you a view to the backyard. Over here you have your gas stub for a summer kitchen. Okay, let's go take a look inside. Did want to point out here in the living room, you do have your floor outlet. So I wanted to give you one look here to your view to the outside. Over here, we're walking into the owner suite. Your recessed lighting. You're gonna have a nice view to the backyard as well. And I believe this is west, so you're gonna have a nice view to the water during the sunsets. Over here we have the owner's bath, double vanity. You have a standalone tub. Your shower here. You have your rain shower head. Lots of natural light coming into this bathroom. You have your water closet over here. And then a linen closet. And over here we have the walk-in closet. Wire shelving. And you're going to loop into the laundry, which makes it very convenient for laundry days. We'll continue to the left. This is the last bedroom downstairs, the fourth bedroom. You have one last bedroom in this house upstairs. You have your closet there. Then you have your full bath here. So this would be perfect for guests. You know, they have their own shower here. Tile all the way up to the ceiling. Then over here you have your garage entry, your stop and drop with cabinets. This is the mechanical room. So you're gonna have your HVAC there. That controls the cooling and heating in this house. Here you have a closet. Lots of room for storage here. So let's check the upstairs. And over here you have a nice sized loft area. Could be a game room. And these are 9-foot ceilings, so it feels nice and open. You have a great view to the back. And then over here we have the fourth bathroom. With a linen closet. And then the last bathroom upstairs, sorry, the last bedroom upstairs with a closet. So if you're interested in knowing more about this Lola that is for sale by MasterCraft, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email. My name is Charlie Flores, your local St. Johns County Realtor. I hope you enjoyed the video.